Number 9, sorry, question number 8. The radius of metallic sphere is 9 centimeter. It was melted to make a wire of diameter 4 millimeter. Find the length of wire. In this question, a sphere, metal sphere is get converted into wire by melting. So, volume of sphere is converted into volume of wire. Wire is in the form of cylinder. So, length of wire we are going to find. Given is radius of sphere is given 9 centimeter. Diameter of the wire is given 4 millimeter. So, radius is 2 millimeter. 2 millimeter we are converting into centimeter because the first radius is also centimeter. So, this radius we are converting into centimeter. 0.2 centimeter, that is the radius of wire. Now finding the length of wire, that is h. First we find the volume of sphere. Volume of sphere formula is 4/3 pi r cube. Putting value 4/3 pi multiplied by radius of the sphere is 9. So 9 multiplied by 9 multiplied by 9. After calculating, the answer is coming 972 pi cubic centimeter. We are not substituting the value of pi. Pi remains as it is because the one volume is get converted into another volume. So in the formula of the wire, pi value is there. So it will get cancelled. So pi value we are putting as it is. Now volume of sphere is equal to volume of wire because the same material we are using to make the wire. So one volume is get converted into another volume. Volume of sphere, first just now we find 972 pi is equal to volume of wire. Wire is in the form of cylinder. So cylinder formula pi r square h. Now by substituting value 972 pi is equal to pi r is radius of the wire is 0.2. So we are substituting value. Here both the side pi is cancelled. Pi is there, so pi get cancelled. Therefore 972 is equal to 0.2 multiplied by 0.2 multiplied by h. After shifting the number to one side and the height of the cylinder, that is wire, on another side, calculation, after calculating the height of the wire is 243 meter. Centimeters we are converting into meter by dividing 100. So the length of wire is 243 meter. In the textbook the answer is given different. So student, please check the answer from digest if you are having digest.